It's your Florida Mortgage Hero, and I want to deliver you some great information today about a loan program that can help you serve more families, get more families into the housing market that may not have been able to get there previously. This loan program allows for low to moderate income families, first-time home buyers, and those who have purchased a home in the past be able to get into a home with possibly bringing nothing to closing. Here are some bullet points on this loan program. NFM Lending proudly introduces the Chenoa Fund to Tampa Bay, allowing more hardworking Floridians to enter into the housing market. This loan program allows for a 3.5% soft second or repayable second that can be used to cover the entire down payment. There also is no buyer investment required at all, meaning that the closing costs can be covered by the seller, FHA approvable gift fund sources, or lender credits. Here are some of the Chenoa Fund advantages. Again, no buyer investment required. FICO scores down to a 620. Non-occupying co-borrowers are allowed. The debt-to-income ratio is based upon AUS findings and FHA manual underwriting guidelines, meaning it has a much higher debt-to-income ratio than the typical bond and down payment assistance programs that we're used to. Also, it is underwritten at NFM, and we can also use premium pricing on the first mortgage to cover all of the buyer's closing costs. The Chenoa Fund for buyers above a 620 FICO score, it allows 2 seconds, a soft second and a repayable second. The soft second requires no payment and is 0% interest on a 30-year term. This is forgiven after 36 on-time consecutive payments on the FHA first mortgage. And the qualifying income will be 115% or lower than the area median income. And remember, this is not just for first-time home buyers. The Chenoa Fund repayable second allows for buyers with an income of 115% or more of the area median income to take advantage of a 10-year term at 0% interest rate or a 30-year term at 5% interest rate. Florida home buyers, this is a great new program for you to be able to obtain the dream of home ownership and get into that home. Agents, this is a great way for you to let your clients know that there's a great program with a great mortgage team that can guide them through it. I'm Ryan Owens, your mortgage hero at NFM Lending. Please call me with any questions about this program or others at 813-727-4021. I look forward to serving you. Thank you for watching this video.